What's good, everybody? This is Dion Campbell from Jada Tax Services in Memphis, Tennessee, and I'm in my office doing an evening office day. Let's get into it. I'm finna answer a couple of questions I was given in my inbox, and I always try to tell y'all that if you inbox me questions, I will answer them. And so one of the questions was about what tax years you can electronically file to date. And the years you can still e-file would be for this tax season we just passed. For some, due to extensions, some are still able. Their deadline is still, they haven't met their deadline yet due to, disastrous areas and stuff like that. Tennessee is one of them. For example, our filing deadline is November 3rd. So still can file electronically 2024, 2023, and 2022. Those are the years that you can still electronically file your tax return with IRS, okay? That's where you don't have to mail it in, provided everything is good. And I'll be putting some post up about that, some post with an S on the end, giving details about what you have to have together in order to, in order to file your return. And then the other question I had, and thank you, was whether or not I will be teaching taxes again this year. And the answer is yes, I will be teaching taxes again this year. I am set up to go to the IRS forum this year. I definitely, I've gone most of my career, 25 years. I've gone most of those years, and I'm definitely going again this year, especially with the big, beautiful bill passing and everything, which in a nutshell, the big, beautiful bill is basically sealing the deal and making a lot of things permanent in addition to other things from the 2017 tax bill. So I will be teaching classes again this year, and just to give you insight to how I will be teaching taxes, it will be in a way that you can do taxes, basically I learned on my own. I didn't work under another tax preparer, and I'm going to teach you how to do the same. So that way, if you choose to work under another tax preparer or a mentorship, you have that option. However, you won't have to. This tax class will teach you how to be responsible as a tax preparer yourself, okay? I know that's gonna ruffle feathers, and I'm sorry, but I'm not sorry like Reese's, because there's a responsibility that you're due by having a PTIN number, by having an EIN number, by having a social security number, by having your name. And so that needs to be the protocol. Like you're going to learn how to do your own research. You're going to learn how to look into things just to make sure you're sure. But when you get through with my tax class, you'll know how to do taxes on your own. And like I said, if you choose to work under someone else, you can, but you won't have to. Okay, so that's the tax class I'll be holding sometime this fall. I'm not going to do it this summer because I am doing a lot of things myself that I have to dive in on in my Trey Songz voice. So I just wanted to put this out there for those who wanted to know what tax years you can file electronically. It's still 2024, 2023, and 2022. And for those who wanted to know, would I be teaching taxes again this year? The answer is yes. I'm getting everything together, and that information will go out soon. But just know, for those who are interested in learning from me, this is not a pull to get you to be one of my tax preparers or none of that jazz. Like I said, the teaching I will be doing, you will know how to do taxes yourself. And just to give you a little quick minute about me, I've been doing taxes 25 years. I've never worked under another tax preparer. I started on my own, and yeah, that's basically it. And I apologize for not saying hi to everybody as they came on, but I was trying to stick to the script. So sending love and blessings to everybody, and back to work I go. Oh yeah, and for those who don't know, I do have an office location here in Memphis, Tennessee, a nice office location where I can reserve conference areas if needed for us to meet. There's also my office area, which has enough space to meet with you as well. But I do not do walk-ins because I'm in an environment, and more so in a state of customer service where I cater to that tax scenario for that taxpayer. And so with that in mind, and the fact that I give out all this free information, you know, reels, posts, so on and so forth, the information I put out there, and the fact that sometimes I do the free 15-minute consultations, there's no need for walk-ins. Either we're doing it or we're not. And so, yeah, that's the gist of it. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. Please share. Please interact. And y'all stay blessed, okay? I'm finna get back into it. Peace.